Alright, so we're going to be looking at LazySysAdmin. So let's go ahead and start this guy off. We'll start off with a rust scan, right? Let's go ahead and cd into LazySysAdmin like real quick. Oh, let's make a directory for lazy. We'll cd into there. And let's go ahead and start off with a rust scan. We got port 22 up and running, 6667. I feel like we should have more than just that though. A couple more things than just that, I believe. May have to revert this guy. There we go. Alright, so we can see we got port 445 up and also port 80 up and running, right? Let's go ahead and check out that port 80 like real quick. And we'll also go ahead and check out that port 445. See if we can get in it all. So if we do an SMB client, for that guy like right there, SMB client tag L, excuse me. Alright, we can see that we can enumerate share. So let's go ahead and just go, right, instead of trying to get into it, there's a bunch of stuff on there. We're just going to do a sudo mount. And let's go ahead and make directory first for SMB. Then we'll do a sudo mount tac t SMB sifs to our share, like right there, right? This one's going to be .6336 share SMB. Like I said, there is a bunch of stuff in there, so if you were to go into it, literally that's exactly what you want to do. Let's hit enter like right here for the password for root app, because we don't need a password to get in, as far as we know. So let's go ahead and cd into that SMB now. As you notice, there is a bunch of stuff in here. Let's go ahead and hop over into WordPress. Whoop, I did a /r by accident. That wasn't correct. Up, delete, enter. Decides to go through. There we go. And we'll go ahead and we'll cat that wp-config.php file, right? Like I said, it is a little bit slow, but we'll get there. Oh, that's not going to work now, is it? If I could type, it'd be a lot easier. Oh my goodness. There we go. wp-config.php. Alright, once we get into here, we can scroll up and we'll notice that we have a user of admin and then a database password of togi mysql12345. So this one took me a minute, like this spot right here. But on the actual Vault Hub one, there's a bunch of stuff about Togi everywhere. So you can kind of figure out that that's his name. This one like right here seems to be a little bit different. We can't click on anything in here also. But on the actual Vault Hub one, Togi is everywhere. So we can try to go to WP. See if that actually works. /WordPress, excuse me. Then we'll do like, see what we get in here, right? See, okay, so my name is Togi. There it is. Okay, cool. So my name is Togi. So we know that the guy's name most likely is Togi, right? This one's for MySQL. So I kind of figured what the password's going to be. I still did a Hydra for it. But I kind of just thought to myself real quick, it's probably going to be like either SSH12345 or just 12345. But we're going to look for Hydra. We're going to do a Togi, Rocky.txt, SSH, right? That's going to be on port on IP address 63.36. And I just kind of started to think like what could it possibly be. So I tried an SSH and there we go. It immediately comes back. SSH in as Togi. That's going to be 63.36, right? Should probably get out of this WordPress thing in there. Once I get into here, we'll be good. But yes, there we go. 12345, and we know his passwords. Let's go ahead and start off with sudo tac L 12345, and we see that we can run everything. So we'll do a sudo tac or sudo su, and we are root cd /root ls tac la, and we can read that proof.txt. So that's gonna be it for this one. Really, the hardest part is just waiting for the SMB.